Here's a Jura S8 automatic coffee machine, measuring 11 inches wide, 17 deep, and 14 inches high. The power button is in the back right corner. The touchscreen lights up and the machine begins to warm up the water. The coffee bean compartment is stored on top and it holds 10 ounces of coffee beans. The water container is on the left side and it holds 64 ounces of water. The touchscreen offers several varieties of coffees. The handles adjust up and down according to the size of the mug. I am using a 12-ounce mug, which I preset in the settings. It comes with this essential clear tubing used for milk frothing and to rinse the system. One end of the tube plugs in on top, and the bottom goes into a cup of fresh milk for milk frothing. I will be making cappuccino, so I'm going to press on that. And right away, you'll begin to hear the beans grinding. Cappuccino begins with frothing of this yummy creamy milk and topped off with creamy espresso shot. Look at this beauty, so aesthetically pleasing. You can make more cups of coffee, or you can rinse the system. To rinse, you take the bottom of the tube and you connect it to this container that comes with the system. You fill up the outer portion with water to the max line, and you simply press start. Every few rinses, you do need to add solution to the water. I did it last time. It will guide you on the screen where to pour the solution. Just follow the simple steps on the screen. Every rinsing requires to refill the container twice. Reconnect the tube, press next, and I'm almost done. I like this machine because it makes the beans very creamy as well as the milk. My only con about it is this rinsing process, but it does become an easy habit. Now it's clean and ready to use next time. I hope this brought value to you and answered some of your questions about this machine. See you in the next one.